I just crashed my drone against the building.
We just left our hotel and I was just like walking around because last night when we were walking back to the hotel, I saw a very nice area nearby, and this morning I decided to go outside and explore. I'm not quite sure what's the name of this place. It's not far from the Ban, and it's also very close to the Nanjing Road, and it's very lovely. It has a very British vibe. I don't know, I feel like in London. Beautiful buildings are quite nice, and you have like some pubs and restaurants on the sides. Of course, right now it's noon, not many people around, but I think at night will look much better. Oh wait, I think I found the name of it. It's in front of us. I'm gonna take a look. I think it's called Huaiyuan Market. Huaiyuan Market. Apparently, that's the name of this place. But there's no. It doesn't look like a market. It's more like a pedestrian street with restaurants and nice buildings. But it looks very nice. First time here. I never heard of this place before. And the good news, the good part is centrally located. Like if you get to visit the Ban or Nanjing Road, definitely you should come to this place and take a look. Well, basically I saw on that billboard that this is like a night carnival or a night market, so it's supposed to be better at nighttime, not daytime, but well, it still looks nice. Finally, this side is open. Last time I came here, this part of the road, this is the Nanjing Road, was going under a huge renovation. So it's finally open, and now you can just walk freely. Like the middle part of the road, it's already open, and of course a lot of people. This is the side that will connect the main Nanjing Road to the Ban, so you can just have more space to walk freely through this area. So excited. Looks beautiful, looks super nice as usual. All these newly renovated areas all around China look awesome and brand new. I love the feeling when they open a place like this and you can just walk and enjoy and see all the stores and restaurants and a lot of people. It's lovely. Shanghai looks better than ever. Oh my gosh, these DJI drones are really good. I just crashed my drone against the building because I think it's too windy here. It's not because I don't know how to fly. So suddenly I kind of lost control of my drone and I crashed against the building, but it was like nothing happened. It just kept flying without any problem. I love DJI. information over there about life in China. I will leave the link to my account in the description down below. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my follow-up stories about what's going on in this part of the world. If you think there might be someone else interested in these kind of videos, please consider sharing. My name is Rafael, thanks for watching, and stay safe until next time. Wow, qué bello, how cool. 好不好看？喜欢吗？